how could you possibly calculate your customers' monthly payments on the lot? So we're taught not to talk money on the lot, not to talk monthly payments, not to talk price, not to talk any of that stuff when you're on the lot, and you should be picking out your customer's next car. That's true. But the thing is, just because we're taught that doesn't mean we should feel wrong about it. Like, we shouldn't have this inherent sense of guilt, because it's actually a disservice to your customer to talk money on the lot for a couple of reasons. Number one, you don't know the payments anyway. How could you possibly calculate the payment? If they have a trade-in, if you don't know their credit score, even if you do, if you haven't submitted to a lender yet, you don't know the rates, you don't know the money factor, you don't know the residual, you don't know their payoff, you don't know how much money they're putting down, if they're leasing or financing, what bank we're going through, what the trade-ins were. It's like, you don't know any of that. So to even try to guesstimate, you're doing your customer a disservice. Number two, you're doing them a disservice because you're preventing them from being able to take in your product presentation and perceive any value that there may be in that vehicle. You prevent them from thinking about the car because now their brain's racking these numbers. And the reality of it is, if you're trying to close more car deals and they're thinking about numbers when on the lot and not taking in your vehicle demonstration, the numbers aren't going to ever make sense anyway because there's not enough value built in the product. So you're hurting yourself. So a lot of times as salespeople, we're on the lot and we're trying to figure out whether or not we should broom this customer or not, which you shouldn't. And we're saying to ourselves, all right, let me just throw some numbers out there, because if they're not going to bite anyway and it's too much, it's a waste of my time. But the numbers can never make sense if you don't do a proper product presentation, if you don't build enough value in the vehicle, so you're actually doing your customer a disservice by talking numbers on the lot. Yes, we're taught that, and it's not because we're trying to be slippery, it's because it doesn't make sense and it actually hurts your customer. Hey my friend, thank you for watching, and if you want to see videos just like this one, please like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate the love and support, and don't forget, leave some comments down below. I'm looking forward to all of your interaction and feedback, and I can't wait to bring you more videos just like this one. Thanks again, I'll talk to you soon.